I am Calista Maria Nicole.
Hi, I am Sabine. Hi, I am Adam Indru. Hi, I am Nitin Krishnan. Hi, I am Dinesh. Hi, I am Ariyalan.
Hi friends, today we are going to know about our approximately 4.54 billion years ago, solar system was a cloud of dust and the gas known as explosion. These particles are collapsed and began to spin, having the sun at center. The bigger particles are which revolve around the sun called planets. Thus the planet Earth formed.
The universe is a vast expansion of space. The universe consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, dwarf planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and satellites. The exact size of the universe is still unknown. A galaxy is a large cluster of stars. Our galaxy Milky Way is among the countless of galaxies in the universe.
Solar system consists of the sun, the 8 planets, the moons, dwarf planets, asteroids and comets. These objects are gravitationally bound. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun and 5th largest in our solar system. Just 2 movements there are: rotation and revolution. The Earth on its axis is called rotation of the Earth. Day and night caused due to the rotation. The movement of the Earth around the sun on its axis is called revolution. Seasons are caused by the Earth revolution. The rocky inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. They are terrestrial planets.
The outer planets are gaseous planets. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
The frozen planets are Uranus and Neptune.